Hi guys, thanks so much for clicking. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a side clip-in wig. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. This DIY was inspired by this beautiful style that I saw on this spring twist hair, but then I didn't use this hair. I used Afro twist braids. I used this hair. If you want it to be an afro, you can start by splitting the hair and then crochet the hair on the cap. But then I didn't want mine to be an afro. Okay, I combed it later. I wanted to just see how it would look when it's like this before I split the hair or before I comb the hair. So I didn't crochet the right part of this cap because I love my parting on the right, but then if you love it on the left, make sure you don't crochet the left side. So before you crochet, make sure you note that. So I went ahead and cut this hair because I didn't want the hair to be long, and one pack was enough. So if you want it longer, then you have to use like 2 or 3 packs, but then this hair was so full, I just wanted it to be like short. I didn't want to use so many packs. So the next step is to crochet the hair on the cap, and then again remember your side. So when you crochet this part, make sure the hair are so close to each other so that no one can see the cap. To fill the space at the back, I went ahead and cut the hair again into half. Remember, I already cut the hair into half, so I took the half and cut them into half again because I was running out of hair, and just fill the space at the back. And then also I didn't want the wig to be so full. So the next step is to cut the cap and then give it some allowance because you're going to fold it, and then sew combs or a band on it just to make it more secure.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out.
Here is a wig. I've sewn 5 combs on the side there. And then I'm going to use this adjustable strap. You can sew a band on it if you want to. Yeah. So I'm also thinking of just like splitting these curls. I want it to be an afro, but let me just try it on and then I'll do that later. And because also, as you can see, some are long, some are short. Look at the ends. so I'll just have to unravel the curls. I've inserted the first comb, and then I'll just insert this other one, the last one, and then I'll insert the rest. Make sure your cornrows are neat.
It ain't hard to forgive. You know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here.
You can add accessories on your hair, but then my lines are too small and this is big, so like it can't, but then you can add accessories.
Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale.
So that was it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or if you learned something from this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.